Hey friends, welcome to this course. My name is Saumitra and I am a UX and product designer. I've designed this course for beginners who want to learn Figma for UI UX design. In this course, I'm going to take you on a journey from the client's requirement to understanding what is a wireframe, which is the requirement which is illustrated, and then designing this website absolutely from scratch. We are going to use the learning by doing methodology, which means that when I am creating this, you can follow this exact design of the course. And while you are doing that, you will learn all the features and functionality of Figma. One suggestion which I would like to make at this point is to do this course and practice side by side. If you have two monitors like this, then you can fire up Figma on one monitor and use the other to run the course. If you don't, you can use a mobile or a tablet and run the course on the mobile app and use your computer to work on Figma. I'm very much excited for your journey of learning Figma. I'll cut this introduction short and let's begin. See you in the next class.